Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. As you all know, Halloween is coming up real soon, and I have a fun Halloween recipe today that I wanted to share with you. Now this recipe is perfect if you're looking for a Halloween treat for your family just because, or if you're having a Halloween movie night, this might be a good idea for something to make, and it's very easy. We are going to be making Halloween Brookie cups. Now these are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. You need some cupcake wrappers, and as you can see, I found some cute Halloween ones at the store, but if you don't have Halloween ones, that's okay too. You need a 18-ounce box of your favorite brownie mix, or you could even make homemade if you would like. Some water, vegetable oil, and then you need a package or two of the Pillsbury Ready Bake cookies. Now I have the Spooky Cat one, but I believe there are about 4 different designs for Halloween. This is the only one they had at the store when I was buying these ingredients, but I'm pretty sure there is 4 different kinds. It doesn't matter which one you use, and you can use 2 packages if you want, so you can have 2 cookies in your Brookies. But I only have 1 package today, so I'm only going to be using 1 cookie per cupcake and 1 egg. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cupcake tray here and I'm going to put some liners in. And like I said earlier, if you want, you can use 2 packages of these Pillsbury Halloween cookies. And if you are going to do that, at this time you would take 1 package and put a cookie in each of your cupcake liners. But since I only have 1 package, I'm not going to do that step today. We are going to go ahead and prepare our brownie mix. So I'm going to move the cupcake tray out of the way, and I'm going to bring over a bowl, and we're going to go ahead and do the brownie mix. Unless you are doing homemade, like I said, it's optional. I'm just showing you an easier way to save time, because I know a lot of people are limited on time or they're looking for something quick. So we're going to use the box brownie mix today. So we have our brownie mix. We're going to add in the water, oil, and the egg. And just mix up your brownie mix well. Alright, now you're going to bring your cupcake wrappers back, or your cupcake tray. And we're going to fill each of our cupcakes up about halfway. You'll just go ahead and fill each of them up about halfway. Alright, once you have your brownie batter into your cupcake wrappers, now we're going to add a cookie on each one of our cupcakes. You're just going to place 1 cookie in the middle on top of each cupcake here. And just push it down slightly. Here is what our Halloween Brookie cups look like before we go ahead and put them in the oven and bake them. Now we're going to bake them for about 18 to 25 minutes. Everybody's oven cooks differently, so you want to go ahead and be sure to check them. You don't want to overbake your cupcakes. And here is what our Halloween Brookie cups look like after they have finished baking. Now the good thing about this recipe is you can make it year-round. Pillsbury, they switch out the cookies for the different seasons or holidays, so you can make these any time of the year. At Christmas time, you can just buy the Christmas cookies. They are great if you're looking for a nice Halloween treat for yourself or your family. Everyone is sure to love this easy recipe. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And I will have this recipe down in the description below if you are interested in giving it a try. And if you do give it a try, let me know what you think about it. Or if you do plan on trying that, let me know that as well. And also, I'm going to include a link to the recipes that I have made so far, and I'm always adding new ones. So be sure to click on that link and it'll bring you to recipes. And I have some other Halloween recipes there as well. And I also have at least one more Halloween recipe that I plan on putting out before Halloween. So be sure to check that out. Also, if you're new to our channel, we want to welcome you. And if you would like to, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you know exactly when a new video is posted. I want to thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.